number of underutilized, unknown or exotic fruits around the island. And we show that you can also utilize them in the array of products that we are familiar with. It is from the line of Sapote crops, but because this one is black, it tends to be more eye-catching then, call it that. Right, so it looks green on the outside, the skin is green, but the inside is black.
What's your man's family? How you do? Fantastic. I'm at the Hague Agricultural Show in Trelawney, Jamaica. I didn't come to do any work. I didn't come to do anything at all. I just wanted the girls to have some fun. As you can imagine, there's everything here. All kind of food, all kind of livestock, all kind of stuff. But there's something that jumped out at me. And it's the 4-H booth they have an area where they're promoting agroprocessing. And that includes stuff like the Black Sapote Jam. Yeah, you know we talk highly of Black Sapote. I didn't know they have a jam. So I'm gonna talk about that. I'm gonna highlight whatever else they have. I'm gonna share all of that with you. Well, so this is the little, okay, not this one. Big up Thompson Town. But this is the one, this little stall here. And I wanted to bring to your attention, guys. Right? Look, all kind of stuff. But these are all processed stuff ready for market shelf. Go ahead, no problem. These are all ready for the supermarket shelf. All kind of stuff here, right? And so I want to highlight some of them, including this one. Yeah, man, the Black Sapote. I never knew Black Sapote could make jam. So there you go. So anyway, this is, what's your name?
Alicia Fulton.
Alicia Fullerton. Alicia Fullerton. And you are the brand manager here? What?
I'm the National Home Economics Coordinator with Jamaica 4-H.
For 4-H, good. I want you to help me. I want you to help me. Miss Fullerton, you say?
Fulton.
Miss Fulton. Yeah, yes. Pick up Miss Fulton for me. I am impressed with what you have here, Miss Fulton. All kind of, these are stuff, we have, basically what you have done is taken the raw products and convert them into shelvable items, for want of a better word, right?
Right.
And they can now be taken and first of all, they last longer, right?
Right.
And also they can go wider all over the world.
Exactly.
So take me through to some of the ones you have here now, from left to right.
So what we do is agricultural value addition. So we do agro-processing, converting the primary products into a more valuable product that has a longer shelf life for various purposes.
Yeah.
We do promote the use of, some call it exotic or unusual foods.
Yeah.
So you have here the English cherry, used to make a jam.
No, the English cherry is that the regular cherry that we have here in Jamaica?
No, not the West Indian cherry. It looks like the actual English cherry. So it has that seed that can be taken out.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Okay. And this one, so this is a jam, obviously.
Yes.
You use it like any other jam?
Any other jam.
All right. And this is a mulberry jam now. Now, a lot of people don't know what that is.
And if you look closely, you will actually see what the crop looks like.
Okay, so that's a picture.
Yes.
Now these products actually are made by different persons.
Yes, so they are made by 4-Hers. Knowing that 4-H is across the island, we have one branch per parish. We have 3 regions, and so they may come from any of those regions or parishes within those regions.
But tell me about this one, the Black Sapote Jam. I'm particularly impressed with it. This is probably the most unusual one you have, right?
Right. And so there are a number of underutilized, unknown or exotic fruits around the island. And we show that you can also utilize them in the array of products that we are familiar with.
What's special about this Black Sapote one?
And because of course the color is black, It is from the line of Sapote crops, but because this one is black, it tends to be more eye-catching then.
Okay.
Right, so it looks green on the outside, the skin is green, but the inside is black.
Okay, I know a little bit about it to say that it's heavily nutritious. I know people who have lupus tend to run it down a herd. I did a couple features on it, guys. In the description, you can find more about it. But I was impressed with this, the Black Sapote Jam. And I want to salute 4-H for what they're doing to promote agro-processing, taking the raw products and bringing them and turning them into
value to them and
adding value to them. This is papaya jam. Papaya jam here, mango jam.
Beet.
What is this?
Beet or beetroot, we call it beetroot.
Beet jam, This one?
Carambola, what we call star fruit.
Oh, okay.
Right.
And over here, what is that one over
there? Mulberry jam.
Mulberry, that's another one.
Yes, different parish, as we said, they have different regional parishes that will produce.
Okay, the same mulberry. Alright, down quickly down the bottom here.
Right, so we have, these are chutneys. So this is mango. This is mulberry, and we have here beet and pineapple chutney.
Okay.
We go across to our Otaiti apple that we are used to, most persons.
What is a chutney?
It's a spicy condiment, sweet, tangy, spicy, that you can use to enhance different sauces, products, meats, mostly cold meat. So you have your cut of beef, or you have a cold cut of pork, or you have a cold cut of fish. You can add to it. It can be used as an hors d'oeuvre, served on crackers or any other suitable. Right, and so we have apple jam, apple pineapple jam
meaning the apple mixed with the pineapple?
Yes, exactly.
All right, coming down.
And these are an array of vinegars. So banana, mango, jackfruit, vinegars, sorrel.
Jackfruit?
Yes. Jackfruit vinegar.
Alright. All made by local, and these 4-H, are they mainly students or?
We teach students to do them because, of course, we're empowering persons to be able to launch out on their own and to start their own businesses. So a lot of what we do is teach persons to do this, and then they do their startup.
Okay, so
we give ideas of what you can actually produce, and again, we utilize our local crops.
All right, and when you say you mean the 4-H again?
4-H, yes.
Okay, let's go continue on this here.
Right, so this is another product we are promoting is the castor oil, and you'll understand the range.
Wow, this is big deal, man. Castor oil, Jamaican castor oil is a big,
so we have it in different sizes. We have the blend with castor oil and the coconut oil. These are cold pressed products, so it is not produced by the traditional boiling
method. Yes, okay.
Right, so it is expressed through pressing, cold pressing, and you end up with a product that retains more benefits because they would not have been destroyed by heat.
All right, and I can tell you guys that we have a video on castor oil in the description as well if you want to learn more about that. All the health benefits and all that good stuff, we have that there. As well as coconut oil, we have a process. We have a lady demonstrating how she make it. Have that in the video in the description. This is more sorrel jam here.
Yeah, these are more jams. Spicy tuna. This is what we call it tuna. Others would know it as cactus.
Oh,
right. So that's
this is a big one.
So we are showing you that some of the things that you take for granted.
So what you do? You eat something to eat, or you turn it into jam and eat it?
Yes.
Oh,
and we also use it to make juices as well.
Interesting.
Right.
I don't think most. Let me know if you know about this cactus or tuna, guys. Did you know that the tuna can be eaten, number 1, and 2, that it can use to make a jam? That's interesting. All right.
Right.
So that's the tuna jam. That's another interesting one.
And those are jackfruit jams.
Jackfruit jam.
Right.
No, the people who make these, their numbers are probably on there, right? So what I'm gonna do, for the benefit of you watching, I'm gonna put the numbers in the description.
Right, so you can contact the usual 4-H.
Oh yes, the 4-H
office, and they can assist in directing you or getting the products.
All right, quickly, tell me a little bit about.
These are an assortment of wines.
Wines,
and of course, We consider wines coming from grapes, but we showcase that you can use again our local produce to make nice fruit wines. And this is just an array of those. So pineapple, carambola, sorrel,
guava.
Yes, Jimbilin, what we call
Jimbilin,
mulberry, guava, and our well-known pimento liqueur.
I feel like I want to taste that one, alright? And then breadfruit wine now.
Yes, yes.
Big up the breadfruit wizard.
And then we go into blends. So you have ginger sorrel, and we go into ginger ribena, and ginger apple, ginger orange, and so on. So mix and match then.
Alright, and then running down quickly, coming down guys.
Milled products, so a lot of persons who are vegans or persons who are trying to eat more healthily. Right, these are options. So you have the sweet potato flour, cassava flour, dasheen flour, and we do other blends as well, which may not be here right now. But then you can create other products from these. So you can use these to make your pancake mix, your baked products, so your puddings, your cakes, etc. And so
fantastic. And the good old
hot cake, as some of us know it as hot cake. Right? Coconut cake, peanut drops.
Yes.
You know, the little tasty sweet treats. And turmeric powder, which is becoming more popular these days because of the benefits coming out of COVID and all. Right? And we are also showcasing dried star fruit, which is also another way of extending the shelf life of some of the things that you would.
This is fantastic. And then
more wines,
mulberry, more sweet potato wine.
Yes.
Sweet potato wine. Sweet potato wine.
Yes.
Tell me about that one. Where did you get the inspiration?
Some of what we come out of these products will come out of either need or exploration.
Okay, got it.
So this would have come out of excess, someone having a glut of a particular crop and want to see what else out of the ordinary can we use it to make. And so this is one of the products that we thought of.
Fantastic, cherry apple wine. Alright, gentlemen, you want to order some stuff, my brother? Oh, you want some castor oil? Alright, gentlemen, want some castor oil?
Yes.
Alright, go, give it, man. Excellent work, Miss Fulton. Excellent work on what you guys are doing at the 4-H. If people want to reach you, for whatever reason, whether they want to get some of the products or they want to connect, want you to connect them to the actual producers, or they want you to do some training, perhaps. How can they reach you?
Well, we are on social media. You can visit our website, www.jamaica4hclubs.com. We're on Instagram, we're on Facebook, we're on Twitter. And so you can contact us at any of those, on any of those platforms. We do offer training. You can connect with our REAP program, which is an entrepreneurial program, which also offers aqua processing as one of the areas of training. And so we extend the invitation for you to visit us. We have a branch in each parish, a local branch in each parish, and so you can connect with anyone that is nearest you. Our national headquarters is in Kingston, 95 Old Oak Road, Kingston 6, 927-405022. You can call us and get any information, or we can refer you to the most appropriate parish that you
Ms. Fulton, need. What makes Jamaica special?
I am in Jamaica, and so Jamaica is special. It is a fantastic country that the Lord has blessed with so much. I mean, if you realize how many people enjoy the food that we grow here, there's a difference. There's something different with the breadfruit, with the ginger, with the apple, with the banana, with the chocolate, with the coffee. There is something special about us that the Lord has blessed us with. And so we need to be able to tap into that blessing and go global with the information, with the crops, with whatever we have. And of course, Jamaicans are special. We are known worldwide. Wherever we go, we make an impact.
Big up, big up, big up. Big up Miss Fulton, guys. Miss Fulton, she is a National
Home Economics Coordinator.
Big up 4-H and stuff. And thank you so much. Speaking of special, I'm inviting you to join our special online community or private community where a lot of special people. You're invited to. I'll tell you more about that. It's actually jamhearts.org. Jamhearts.org. Hop on over and I'll see you on that side. Miss Fulton, guys, and the team from Jamaica 4-H Club. Interesting stuff you're doing, right? I want to hear from you, man. What jumped out? What jumped at you? Which one of those products got you interested? Put it in the comment. There's another video you need to see, and that's the one with actually that's the one I did last year, a full tour of the Hague show. You need to see. There's a link in the description and in the card above. See you in that one.